Hello, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to reverse a region and turn it into a riser. So inside BandLab here, you can see I have this new section and I have two impact sounds. I have a crash and an impact. Let's give it a listen. While this really clearly articulates a new section, I actually wanna ease into it with a riser. So what I'm gonna do is click on my crash sample. I'm gonna right click, go all the way down to where it says reverse region. I'm gonna click, and that's gonna reverse this sample. Now I'm gonna drag it over so that the transient starts right with the new section, and let's give it a listen. And just like that, we've been able to reverse a region and turn it into a riser. Thanks for watching, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.